On September 3, 2025, China unveiled the LY-1 naval laser weapon during the Victory Day parade, showcasing it atop the HC-141 eight-wheeled vehicle. This system, highlighted by Chinese media as one of the most powerful of its kind, represents a major step in the development of directed-energy military technology. Unlike conventional missile or artillery systems, the LY-1 uses high-energy lasers to intercept and neutralize drones, guided missiles, and other aerial threats, indicating a shift in how modern naval forces may defend themselves in increasingly complex combat environments. Although technical specifications were not disclosed, the demonstration of the LY-1 underscores the strategic importance Beijing places on emerging technologies that could redefine both defensive and offensive capabilities. The primary function of the LY-1 is to disrupt the operational systems of enemy equipment by targeting optical sensors and guidance mechanisms. By impairing these critical systems, the weapon can reduce the effectiveness of adversary drones, precision missiles, and potentially other unmanned or remotely controlled platforms. Such capabilities offer a distinct advantage in modern warfare, where precision attacks and saturation assaults are becoming more common. The ability to temporarily blind or permanently damage the sensors of enemy devices enables defenders to maintain control of critical areas, protect high-value assets, and counter threats that could overwhelm traditional missile or gun-based defense systems. This approach reflects a broader strategic trend toward integrating directed energy solutions as a complementary layer of protection alongside conventional weaponry. Mounting the LY-1 aboard naval vessels presents additional operational benefits. Ships provide ample space for larger power sources, which can significantly enhance the firing capacity and effectiveness of the system. With increased energy availability, the laser can engage a wider range of targets, from small drones to fast-moving anti-ship missiles. This adaptability makes directed energy weapons particularly valuable for fleet defense, as they offer a scalable and flexible response to multiple simultaneous threats. The concept of energy-based interception also carries a substantial economic advantage. Unlike missile-based systems, which require costly production for each round, laser weapons rely on onboard generated power. This allows for repeated engagements at minimal incremental cost, providing a potentially unlimited defensive capability as long as energy reserves are sufficient. The public presentation of the LY-1 during a military parade carries both political and strategic significance. Beyond demonstrating technological advancement, it serves as a statement of China's ambitions in a highly competitive field. Directed energy weapons have long been under development by multiple global powers, but their operational deployment remains limited. By showcasing the LY-1, China signals not only its technical capabilities but also its intention to play a leading role in the future evolution of naval warfare. The appearance of such systems at formal national events reinforces Beijing's broader strategy of projecting military sophistication and technological leadership on the global stage. Globally, other nations are pursuing similar directed energy solutions. The United States Navy has been testing high-energy laser systems aboard Arleigh Burke-class destroyers to defend against drones, fast attack craft, and cruise missiles. Israel is developing the Iron Beam system, intended to integrate into its multi-layered air defense network to counter short-range threats. European countries, including Germany and the United Kingdom, are experimenting with prototypes mounted on frigates or land-based vehicles, while Russia has publicly acknowledged research programs in the same area. These initiatives reflect a growing consensus that directed energy weapons will become a key component of modern military doctrine, particularly in scenarios where adversaries seek to exploit the cost and volume advantages of unmanned or massed attacks. The operational advantages of laser-based systems are notable. First, They can engage targets at the speed of light, reducing the time between detection and neutralization to virtually zero. This rapid response is crucial against small, agile, or fast-moving threats that could evade traditional missile interceptors. The precision of laser strikes also minimizes collateral damage, allowing for targeted engagements that can disable sensors without fully destroying enemy platforms. In some scenarios, the ability to gradually apply laser energy, enough to blind optical systems or disable electronics, offers commanders the flexibility to neutralize threats temporarily, conserving resources while maintaining operational effectiveness. Cost efficiency is another key factor driving the adoption of directed energy weapons. Traditional interceptor missiles are expensive to produce and deploy, particularly in large quantities during saturation attacks. In contrast, a laser shot consumes only electrical energy, meaning multiple engagements can be carried out at marginal cost. This feature is particularly attractive when defending against swarms of drones or large volumes of low-cost missiles, scenarios that would quickly deplete conventional missile inventories. By supplementing existing defense systems with lasers, military planners can reduce dependency on limited missile stockpiles, ensuring a more resilient and continuous protective capability. Despite their advantages, laser systems face significant challenges. High power requirements demand robust energy generation and storage solutions, while environmental factors such as fog, rain, and dust can degrade performance. Maintaining operational reliability over extended engagements also presents technical hurdles, as sustained laser firing can strain both hardware and cooling systems. Nevertheless, these challenges are actively being addressed by research and development efforts worldwide, and do not overshadow the transformative potential of directed energy weapons in modern combat scenarios. The integration of laser systems into naval and land-based defense strategies suggests a gradual shift toward multi-layered protection. Combining missiles, artillery, and lasers creates a comprehensive defensive network capable of addressing diverse threats with different engagement profiles. On ships, this approach could alleviate the operational burden on missile batteries, which are often finite, while providing near-continuous protection as long as energy is available. Over time, directed energy weapons may redefine doctrines for both active and passive defense, establishing new standards for responsiveness, precision, and cost efficiency. China's public display of the LY-1 also serves as a clear message about the nation's strategic intentions. By demonstrating mastery over cutting-edge military technologies, Beijing reinforces its position as a major player in the global defense landscape. The parade appearance does not necessarily reflect full operational deployment but indicates a deliberate effort to showcase emerging capabilities. It also allows for signaling to both domestic and international audiences that China is actively advancing in fields traditionally dominated by other leading military powers. Looking ahead, the LY-1 and similar systems are likely to influence the design and deployment of future fleets. As drones and precision-guided munitions become increasingly prevalent, energy-based weapons provide a flexible and cost-effective countermeasure. The ability to engage multiple targets rapidly, disable sensor systems, and reduce reliance on expensive interceptors makes laser weapons an attractive addition to existing arsenals. Over the next decade, continued refinement of power generation, targeting systems, and environmental adaptation is expected to enhance their effectiveness, solidifying directed energy systems as a critical component of modern military operations. While the LY-1 is still primarily in the demonstration phase, its unveiling reflects China's commitment to shaping the future of naval defense through advanced technology. As directed energy weapons become more common globally, the strategic landscape will likely evolve, with nations leveraging lasers to strengthen their defenses and maintain technological superiority. The combination of speed, precision, cost efficiency, and flexibility positions systems like the LY-1 to play a transformative role, potentially altering how naval and land forces operate in high-intensity conflict environments. In this context, the LY-1 is not merely a new weapon but a symbol of China's broader ambition to lead in the next generation of military innovation, highlighting the growing importance of directed energy technologies in the global security landscape.